Yep. Hello. Welcome to Bet on Yourself Media Sports. I am your host, Reggie. Welcome to the show. Today is a big day in the NFL. It is draft day. Could not wait. It's here, finally here. About 5 hours and a half to go before the NFL draft starts tonight. And everybody in Philadelphia Eagle Nation and around the country should be elated and excited to see what Howie's going to pull off tonight. And I am in that boat. But before we get started, I truly would like to thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. It's truly appreciated. 100%, man. It doesn't go unnoticed. Thank you, and thank you very, very much. I truly appreciate y'all guys for subscribing to my channel. But if you haven't already, tell a friend to tell a friend about Bet on Yourself Media Sports. We are about to embark on some high energy tonight regarding the draft with Howie Roseman. But before we get to the Roseman deal, let's talk about A.J. Brown being extended. There's talk already in the works between his agent and the Philadelphia Eagles brass. So for all those who are excited or were having some words about or thoughts about him not being an Eagle for a long term because of the contract signed by DeVONTA Smith this past couple of weeks, that's out the window. The Eagles are always ahead of the game. Howie Roseman knows how to play the game, how to play the field, and he's definitely going to be jumping on top of that matter as soon as possible. But let's listen to Howard Eskins. He speaks on the facts that the Eagles will or are trying to extend A.J. Brown.
Wide receiver in the first round.
And I have kind of heard different things that whether it's preliminary discussions, they are thinking about a new contract for A.J. Brown, not trading A.J. Brown. They're thinking about an extension for A.J. Brown. And, again, this is what I've heard from, different teams.
Yep.
That they're thinking, and they've already started some conversation with A.J. Brown's agent
Interesting.
about an extension.
Yeah.
You got to beat the system, because when his contract comes up, those wide receivers are probably going to be make $30 million a year.
Yeah.
I mean, that's crazy. So you want to. That's what Howie does. He gets it ahead. He got a great contract with DeVonta Smith because he got ahead of the curve. Every year it goes up. And so I don't think there's any way. I mean, almost zero chance that A.J. Brown won't be here, and almost zero chance with the first round pick that they take a wide receiver.
And are there any chances that Patrick Surtain would be a consideration by the Eagles front office?
Well, are there? That's a wide question. Yes, but I don't think. I think there's so little chance that's not going to happen. From what I hear, that's not going to happen.
Yeah, you heard it. Howard Eskin puts it on the line and tells you just what's going on. Shout out to him for his commentary on the Eagles and the A.J. Brown situation. Next up, I want to talk about DeVonta Smith truly engaging with one of the Eagles' possibly draft picks. He's in favor of TERRION Arnold. They met when he came here on his visit, and TERRION Arnold had this to say.
After meeting Nick Sirianni, Howie Roseman, and everybody.
Great guys, great organization, and my boy DeVonta Smith pulled up over there.
Yeah.
So it was great all around.
What did DeVonta tell you about the Eagles, and if they were to possibly move up and get you, what it would be like for you?
Oh, DeVonta was like, man, if you want to get the best quarterback in the draft class, you need to get TERRION. And then on top of that, like DeVonta was like, man, like I'll become a better player, because I didn't really get those matchups against him at Alabama. So getting those matchups going up against him in the NFL, man, it'd be amazing. I'm one of those guys, like, I'm ready to compete, man. Him, A.J. Brown, like, it would just be great.
Well, the Eagles are rumored to want to move up and get a cornerback. and maybe get one of the Alabama quarterbacks? How cool would that be if they moved up and got you?
It would be amazing. And it would just kind of factor in to my mentality going in. I would say this team moved up to get me. So not only am I infatuated or I am ready to get to work, but at the same time, it's that much more of a chip on my shoulder.
What kind of battles have you had with DeVONTA?
None. I mean, you got to think like
not even out. Go out on the field.
Nah. Like when he came back to work out one time, I said, "Hey, DeVonta, like let's get these 1-on-1." He was like, "Yeah, we could get him in the league."
So as you see, TERRION Arnold never got an opportunity to face DeVonta Smith when he was at Alabama, and DeVonta Smith said the only way you get to do that, I see you in the pros. So this would be a great opportunity for him to face the high caliber wide receiver as A.J. Brown and DeVonta Smith and a plethora of other guys that's going to be in the Philadelphia Eagles camp this upcoming season. So hopefully this guy is selected, or it could be QUINYON Mitchell out of Toledo.
Did you take the hoops test with Nick Sirianni, the competition?
Nah, he didn't want to play hoops, so no, I ain't do it.
The Eagles have been rumored to want to move up and get you. What do you think it would be like to be an Eagle?
I mean, it'd be great playing for that city and playing for that fan base, so I really enjoy it.
Have the Eagles showed interest in you?
Yeah, they brought me on the visit, and then the visit went great, just meeting everybody there, so I feel like it went good.
What would you bring as a corner?
What would I bring?
Yeah.
Just intensity, ball skills, turnovers, and interceptions, so that's what I bring.
He also was here for a visit. He stated that he enjoyed his visit here with Philadelphia Eagles brass, meeting the people around the building. So I'm looking forward to see which one Howie's going to select. And will he move up to get one of the two of these guys? Or will it be someone else? You let me know what you think down in the comment section, which way Howie should go. Should he go move up to get QUINYON Mitchell or TERRION Arnold? Let me know what you think. Or should he just go after an offensive lineman or edge rusher in the early round? But quite sure, naturally, everybody was talking about the wide receiver, position, because of the fact that there are a plethora of wide receivers that's out there available, and we have had some come in for visits. The Worthy kid and another few other guys, McConkley, those type of guys, they came in for visits here in Philadelphia. So the Philadelphia Eagles do have some wide receivers on their list of possibilities of drafting. Where we're at, I'm saying second round myself. I know a lot of people out there threw their mock drafts up, and I've seen quite a few interesting ones out there, I must say. You know, I really can say that I've seen some quite interesting mock drafts this past couple of weeks. So me, myself, I didn't do one personally online. I did one for myself. I got a grade of a B. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna keep it close to the breast to see how good of a choices that I made in selection in the draft this upcoming evening. But yeah, man, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Tell a friend about Bet On Yourself Media Sports. Come join the family, man. We are a growing brand, and I'm looking forward to having y'all guys aboard in the future. But if you haven't, please let someone know about Bet On Yourself Media Sports. We are in the right place in the right time for the Philadelphia Eagles, Sixers, Flyers, and sports around the world. We talk all sports, Colorado Buffaloes, NFL, NCAA, women's basketball, WNBA. We talk about it all. We're not just a Philadelphia Eagle brace. That's my main staple, but I do try to spread it out, get information on other content on sports around the league, world, and abroad. So yeah, man, there you have it, man. I'm going to take me a lay down, get myself ready for the night, for the draft and the 76ers game. Let's go Sixers. We need this one tonight. As y'all all know, Sixers fans out there, this is a big game for us moving forward. So I'm going to be tuned into that and tuned into the draft. So I'm going to have my hands full. So I'm going to try to get me some quiet time right now and then relax and get rebooted and get back in front of the TV and watch these spectacular events that's going to occur tonight. You heard me before. I'm going to say it one more time. Yep, be good, be safe, God bless. Keep the main thing, and have an attitude of gratitude. And if you don't know, if you haven't heard it before, let me tell you, be careful who you have in your circle. Until next time, man, peace, bond strong. Come join the family, man. Love to have you aboard. You know what to do. Peace out.